alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. May peace be upon him. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new there, please consider like, comment and subscribe us, inshallah. So today video I'm going to make gisht in Arabic. In Arabic they call it gisht. This is international food of Arabic countries. Either you call Dubai, you call Jeddah, you call where Arabic countries. This is international food. All right, this is in front of you. Before I start this is, they call it Tamar. In Arabic you can call Tamar. On English it is dates. Okay, so this is not a fresh, this is already, it is they are finished to bat. It is finished part as you see it. So before we continue, just letting you know that you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to share with your friends and sisters. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you very much for being there for me. Just to open, we are going to use only one packet of cards packed. It is red, not a fresh. You know, we have a types of this. That's all Tamar. There's we have dry. This is dry and there is packed. Okay, we have. That's in Inglesia, Roha Inglesia. Oh, I remember guys, I promised I would do the video about Arabic language. Oh shit, as I forget. So this is the way we do it. Right, as you see, it's the way we do. So just keep watching, and in the end of the video, and you see, guys. So it's like that. You see it. You open. Just open one by one, and you remove this one. You remove it. You remove this kind of things. Yeah. So guys, let me know where are you watching from. Just leave your comment section down there. Make sure you like the video. So guys, I need you guys. I need you to promote my my YouTube. If you wish, you can promote me for with 5 riyal. So I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate. I will. So guys, we another step. We have sabadi. Sabadi is yogurt. Yogurt 2 is thin, and we have ginger beer. We have cardamom. You can call it hell in Arabic, and we have olive oil. In Arabic they call it zaytun. All right. So keep watching until the end of the video. All right. Thank you. So guys, this is ginger beer, this is cardamom, ginger beer, and 2 yogurt, or sabadi, and olive oil. They call it zaytun. So that's it. And what I'm going to add is olive oil. Okay, olive oil is zait zaitun, and as you see, this is 2 cups of flour. It's a brown flour. You see how it is. 2 cups of brown flour. We are going to use it. This cup, 2 cups of brown flour, not white flour. Okay, slowly and slowly. Don't put too much. Make sure you put it a little bit, and then you mix up so that it can be mixed well. As you see, guys, never mind because I'm using one hand. One hand is catching out a phone and one is doing this. So just don't forget to like my video so that I can buy the stand. So we continue to mix in slow heat. Don't put too much, and it become dry. A little bit dry, but not too much dry. This is gisht. You use, guys, what they look like. Make sure you use Arabic buni. In English is brown. Arabic color is buni. Don't forget. Okay, the next step, I'm going to add ginger beer here. Small spoon of ginger beer, and at the same time I'm going to add herb soda in Arabic, in English black seeds. All right, and the last one is cardamom. You can call it hair in Arabic. 1 spoon, 1 small spoon. So I keep to mix up, and then everything become very combined. I'm going to add Tamar. Alright, I'm going to add step by step. So I'm going to add, I have done to add everything together, and I continue to combine. Okay. So guys, our gisht is ready. Arabic gisht is ready to eat. See. Thank you very much guys for watching. Here we go. Arabic gisht with gahawa. It is done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, inshallah. Alright guys. Alright. Let us meet next time, inshallah, for the next video. For today, we have done it, and we thank God for this one, inshallah.